Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair, and 2025 model Chevy SUV. I believe it's a Equinox. I could be wrong. Doesn't matter. It's a 2025 Chevy. This one actually has a battery isolation protection sensor. So we got a sensor there, and then we actually got a power distribution bank underneath here. So what the ISP does, the battery intelligent sensor protector does, is it monitors the health of the battery. It monitors how much voltage the alternator should send it to charge it. It helps with improving fuel mileage because of how much current it allows the alternator to send to the battery. It has to do with the start-stop system of the vehicle, because this vehicle has a start-stop feature where when you pull up to a stop sign, it shuts off to maintain maximum fuel efficiency. So later on, when this vehicle is older, maybe she'll need a battery or whatever. But this one, you don't want to just jump to the positive and the negative to jump it off. That's going to destroy the sensor, or it has the capability of destroying that sensor. The proper way to jump this vehicle is you take a jump pack here to this positive load right here, and then your negative is going to go to this grounding post right here. And that's how you would properly jump this vehicle off without damaging any of the circuitry with the ISP. I'm going to go ahead and pull this cover off and show you all what it looks like underneath there. So this is the actual positive that you're connecting to with your jump pack. The actual positive terminal is down here. This here is just a big old huge power distribution, and it's a fused power distribution. Like for instance, this lug right here has 400 amps. This lug has 350. These two have 100 amps, and this one has 60 amps. And those are going to go to different modules and different things to power the vehicle. And should there be a power surge or draw or short, then it'll obviously pop whichever fuse corresponds to that. So there's also another fuse right here, just a little 5 amp fuse. And there's another sensor right here. So there's several different sensors that monitor your battery life. So like I said, it's going to be very important that whoever jumps this off in the future, should it ever need a jump, that they connect it at the right spot, being right there and right there. You got any questions where to jump at on your particular vehicle, then it should be in the owner's manual. On this one, that's where it is on this one. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.